Marriage is built on three pillars: love, trust, and commitment. Remove one, and the entire structure begins to shake. Infidelity doesn't usually start in a hotel room. It starts in silence, in emotional distance, in unspoken frustrations, in ignored loneliness. At first, it may seem harmless: a text message, a secret conversation, an emotional connection outside the marriage. But what feels small in the beginning grows quietly in the dark. And then one day, the truth is exposed. Infidelity destroys trust instantly. Trust is like glass. Once shattered, even if you piece it back together, the cracks remain visible. The betrayed spouse begins to question everything. Was any of it real? Am I not enough? How long has this been happening? The pain goes deeper than the act itself. It attacks self-worth. It attacks security. It attacks identity. Communication becomes toxic. Arguments become louder. Silence becomes colder. Even when forgiveness is offered, rebuilding trust is a slow and painful process. Suspicion creeps in. Phones become guarded. Simple delays feel suspicious. Peace disappears. Children, if present, feel the tension. They may not understand the details, but they sense the distance. The laughter fades. The warmth changes. The home no longer feels safe. Infidelity also damages the one who cheated. Guilt, shame, fear of losing everything. The realization that one decision can destroy years of memories. Some marriages survive infidelity through counseling, accountability, and genuine repentance, but many do not, because trust, once broken, demands consistent effort, humility, and transparency to rebuild. Infidelity doesn't just ruin a marriage because of the betrayal, it ruins it because it breaks the covenant of loyalty. Marriage is not just romance, it is a promise to protect each other emotionally, physically, and spiritually. When that promise is violated, something sacred is wounded. But here is the truth: infidelity is not just about temptation, it is about boundaries, it is about discipline, it is about choosing commitment even when feelings fluctuate. Marriage requires work, it requires communication, it requires vulnerability. It requires saying, "Let's fix this," instead of finding comfort outside. If you are married, guard your relationship, protect it, feed it attention, speak honestly, seek help early. Do not allow small cracks to become deep fractures. Because rebuilding trust is possible, but preventing betrayal is far easier than repairing devastation. Marriage can survive storms, but only if both partners choose loyalty over impulse. And in the end, faithfulness is not just about avoiding betrayal, it is about honoring the person who trusted you with their heart.